In this video, I'm going to briefly show how to incorporate different conic sections into a sketch. And I'm going to focus on this area here, sort of the top of my little transformer logo. It's sort of a curve, and I'm going to try to model it with an ellipse first. And let's build a circle first. So this is going to be a circle. And the way the equation of a circle works is, here, I'll put the rest of this in here. All right, so x, let's do -0 and y -0. That's showing me the center of 0, 0, so the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the center. And then this equals the radius squared. So the radius of this circle is 1, and so the radius squared, 1 squared is 1. If I wanted to say that make the radius 2, then I would change this to be 4. All right, so in my picture, I'm going to want the center to be shifted up. So let me just shift the center up a little bit. Let me put it at, I'm going to still leave it at 0 on the x coordinate, but the y coordinate maybe there's 3. Let's try 2.5. Okay, so again, I'm shifting the center up. Now, if I want to make this an ellipse, all I need to do is start changing the coefficients here so that they aren't the same. So for instance, let me change the coefficient. Right now the coefficients are both at 1. So let me make this coefficient 2 and see what happens. Okay, that kind of did what I wanted. Then I could move it up a little bit more, maybe. Move the center up a little more. Let's see if I did 3. Okay. And then let me also change this coefficient. And instead of making this something that's greater than 1, I'm going to make it something that's a little bit less than 1, and I'm going to be stretching this out a little bit. And let me shift it down a little. And stretch it out a little bit more. All right, that looks pretty good for that top curve. All right, now in terms of the restrictions, I'm still doing the same sort of thing. Like in this one, I'd probably restrict the x between, in this case, negative 2.64 and 2.64. But because this is, well, actually, I might do the y, because if I did that, it still would show this bottom piece. It would just be everything in that window. So if I did a y between 3.621 and 4.355. And then I can move this up a little bit. How about 3.7, 3.85? All right, so that gave me the little piece that I wanted. And I'll make a, well, I can show you how to add h and k in here, but I might need to make a second video about this. So h would go inside, so minus h and minus k. They just kind of live inside that, and that actually should work. Right, that works just fine. And k works just fine. Although you can see, right, the window needs to be changed. So I'm going to need to put that window in, that k inside the window. So let's try just doing minus k, see if that will work. Right, now a and b are going to be a little bit trickier just because it's a little bit different kind of function. And I think I might make a second video just showing how to incorporate a and b.